I don't know why, but everything just feels so right. Sun is out, my coffee's good. Today's gonna be a good one, I just know it would. Don't need a reason to feel this way. I'm just happy and that's okay. Today I'm feeling so good, better than I thought I could. Nothing's wrong, nothing's hard, just a really good day so far. Today I'm feeling so good, and I don't wanna be anywhere else. Texted a friend just to say hi, got a smile and a